Hey guys, this is Robert from Land Rover Naperville. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the remote start app for the new Range Rovers. First step, basically when you purchase a vehicle from us, we do have an admin website from the dealership that we have to log in first. First we have to put the last 8 of the VIN. So for this vehicle it's going to be TA349012. Press go. It's going to pop up with no customer connected, as it should, because it's a brand new vehicle. Press registered. And then this is at this point, you got to put your own email in. So for now, I'm just going to use my personal. And then it's basically going to have 5 different steps. Number 1, you got to put your own information in. So let me just fill this out real quick. And you press next after you're done putting all your information in. And then now, if you are near the vehicle, you always have to be near the vehicle for this to work. You press get started. You have an hour time frame to press the button inside the car. You get to the vehicle, get inside the vehicle. You're gonna have to start it up for a second. And up here, there's a little wrench button. You basically gotta open up. It's a little covered, just like that. You press and hold the button for a couple seconds. It's going to start flashing fast. You just got to wait for it to slow down. Just like that, you let go. You just got to wait for the light to disappear. Just like that, close it. And now, turn off the vehicle, go back to the laptop. Right here says vehicle connected. Then you guys gotta put your license plate, so we're just gonna put temp for now. Press next, and then an email will pop up. This is where you have to confirm this is your right email you're using. That looks good for me. And you just send an activation email. Reset password. It's going to let you create a 12-character password, no special characters repeating, but it has to be 12 at least. You actually always got to open them up and press accept. Right here is just going to make sure all your information looks correct. First, last name, street address, mobile number. Time zone's always going to be different unless if you live in a different state. Just going to change it to central. And right here, you create a 4-digit PIN. So that could be whatever. And you just got to repeat it one more time. Again, couple terms and conditions. Just press accept. And it's up to you if you want email sent. It's always nice to have email sent to you. Press activate. Press continue. Here comes the hard part, vehicle nickname. So whatever you want to name the vehicle. I'm just going to put Range Rover. Oh. License plate number would go right there. If you wanted to, you could track your journeys. So you could basically track all your trips and mileage inside the car. I'm just going to turn that on. And the PIN number. Last couple terms conditions, just press accept, privacy, press next. And now, this is when you get your phone out. You basically go to the App Store. You got to look up Range Rover Remote. It's gonna be this little guy. Just download it. All right guys, after when the app is done downloading, just open it up. It's gonna bring you to this page. This is where you sign in. Most of the time, you should be saving your password to your phone, so it should basically pop up right here. Just gonna ask for a Face ID. Always just confirm it's the right password. It's gonna log you in. This is where you put your PIN number in. You can activate Face ID, so for right now, I'm just going to use the PIN number. Press accept. And then usually when the first time you are adding the car to the app to the car, you basically will have to turn the car on one more time. So real quick, let's go turn the car on. Just a quick start. Just let it run for like 5, maybe 10 seconds. It's going to be updating on my end shortly. Right here it says driving mode. Turn off. Look at that. And this is your remote start. You do have to make sure everything is locked and shut for this to work. So real quick, let me shut the windows. I'll lock the doors. And then from the phone, it says remote. There's a couple different features, beep and flash. Press and hold that, just in case if you lose your car in a parking lot or anything like that. There is door lock. You basically unlock your doors and lock it. Just like that. And the best part is the remote start feature. You can basically control the temperature if you wanted to. So since today is kind of chilly, press and hold that, let go. Just like that. And then just in case if you change your mind, you're not going out to the car anymore, stop climate. That turns out the car for you. Thank you for watching. This is Robert from Land Rover Naperville. This is how you start your remote start app on your new Range Rover.